If you've ever hosted a backyard dinner and spent the whole evening worrying about whether your furniture could handle the weather, or whether it would even survive until next summer, then this video is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Today on Lived In Reviews, we're sitting down with a patio dining set that's been turning heads for all the right reasons. The Winston Porter Outdoor HDPE Poly Dining Set. A 6-person rectangular table setup that promises to handle everything from sunny July barbecues to frosty November evenings. And if you've been on the hunt for something that looks great, lasts long, and doesn't demand constant babying, stick with me, because this one might just check every box. Let's start with what this set actually is, because the material alone makes it worth talking about. It's built from high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. And if that sounds familiar, it's because it's the same class of material used in marine-grade furniture and commercial outdoor installations. This isn't your average plastic patio set. HDPE is engineered to be dense, impact-resistant, and structurally stable across a wide range of temperatures. Winston Porter pairs that with 304 stainless steel screws, which are the same grade used in marine hardware, meaning they won't rust, corrode, or loosen over time the way cheaper fasteners tend to. Right from the materials level, this set is built with longevity in mind. And that foundation matters a lot when you're investing in outdoor furniture you want to last more than a season or two. Now let's talk about how it actually looks, because durability without style doesn't get you very far. The design here leans into a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Clean lines, smooth surfaces, and an elegantly understated profile that works with just about any outdoor setup. Whether your patio is contemporary, rustic, or somewhere in between, this set doesn't compete with your space, it complements it. The chairs feature a cross-back design, which does double duty. It adds a classic visual detail that elevates the whole look. And it actually improves ventilation for your back during those sticky summer afternoons. That's the kind of thoughtful design touch that you notice the first time you sit down for a long outdoor meal and realize you're still comfortable 2 hours later. Speaking of comfort, this set handles weight impressively well. Each piece supports up to 350 pounds, roughly 159 kilograms, which means it's genuinely built for real people living real outdoor lives. You're not going to be second-guessing yourself at a summer cookout. The seating is designed for extended use, which is exactly what you want from a dining set meant for lingering weekend brunches or late evening dinners with the family. What really makes this set stand out in a crowded market is its all-weather resilience. HDPE furniture doesn't just tolerate outdoor conditions, it genuinely shrugs them off. Sun, rain, wind, frost, snow. This set handles all of it without fading, yellowing, cracking, or becoming brittle. UV resistance is built into the material itself, so the color you see on day 1 is essentially the color you'll see 3 years from now. And when the weather gets messy, no rush to haul everything inside. Even drizzly evenings don't have to end early when your furniture is fully waterproof and rust-proof. There's something genuinely freeing about outdoor furniture you don't have to worry about. And this set delivers that peace of mind. Maintenance is about as low effort as it gets. The smooth surface means dirt, debris, and spills wipe away easily with a damp cloth. There are no cushions to launder, no wood to seal, no metal to treat. For busy households or anyone who just doesn't want outdoor furniture to become another weekend chore, that simplicity is genuinely valuable. Now let's be balanced about this, because no product is perfect for everyone. On the pro side, the material quality is exceptional for the price point. The design is versatile and timeless. The all-weather capability is real and not just marketing language. And the low-maintenance lifestyle it enables is a genuine quality of life upgrade. The crossback chair design adds both comfort and aesthetic appeal. And the stainless steel hardware means this set won't start falling apart at the joints after a couple of seasons outdoors. On the con side, HDPE furniture tends to be heavier than aluminum or resin alternatives. So if you're someone who frequently rearranges your outdoor layout or moves furniture in and out seasonally, the weight is worth factoring in. Additionally, the minimalist design, while broadly appealing, might feel too understated for someone looking for a more ornate or highly decorative outdoor aesthetic. It's a clean, confident look, but it is a specific look. So who is this set absolutely made for? If you live somewhere with unpredictable or harsh weather, this should be near the top of your list. If you host regularly and need furniture that can seat 6 comfortably without you hovering over it all evening, this is your answer. If you're tired of replacing outdoor furniture every few years or spending summer weekends maintaining it, the HDPE build makes this a long-term investment rather than a seasonal expense. Families with kids, homeowners with busy schedules, anyone who wants their outdoor space to feel like an extension of the home rather than a high-maintenance project, this set was designed with you in mind. At the end of the day, what LivedInReviews is really about is telling you how things actually perform when they're lived in, not just unboxed. And the Winston Porter HDPE dining set earns its place in that conversation. It's a thoughtfully built, genuinely durable, year-round outdoor dining solution that respects your time, your space, and your investment. If that sounds like what you've been looking for, the link to check it out is right down below in the description. If this review helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to make smarter outdoor furniture decisions. If you're new here, hit subscribe because we do this kind of deep, lived-in review regularly across all kinds of home and outdoor products. And drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you're working with on your patio right now, or what you're thinking about upgrading next. See you in the next one.